Hi, this is Kirsty, and this is how I made cazuela with my nan. Your first step is to wash and cut all the meat and then put it all in a large soup pot. Then cut the carrot and capsicum into bite-sized pieces. After the carrot and capsicum are cut, place it in the same pot as the meat. Add cold water to the pot till it fully immerses the food inside. Then add the salt, cumin and oregano. Place the full pot onto the stove and let it boil for at least 20 minutes. As it is boiling, cut the string beans down the middle, peel the fresh corn and cut the corn into thirds. Also wash, peel and cut the potatoes into bite-sized pieces. When the 20 minutes are up, add the potatoes, peas and corn into the pot on top of the meat. Let the pot boil again for another 20 minutes. As it is boiling, cut the coriander finely and put it in a separate bowl. Once it's been 20 minutes, add the pasta to the pot and let it boil for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can turn the stove off. You can now serve the cazuela in medium-sized bowls and sprinkle coriander on top. Enjoy!